What's up? Today we are launching the AMG GTs because we are going to be testing out the 0 to 60 mile per hour time or the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time. I have yet to time the 0 to 60 because it's really cold except for today. I am on winter tires and I did surpass the break-in period. I have launched the GTS a couple times, as you can see in my last video, which is right over here. And yeah, it launches pretty freaking hard and I'm actually pretty happy with it. Even though it's rear-wheel drive, it doesn't really take that long to hook up and to just boom, fly. All right, so the GTS does have 515 horsepower and about 500 pound-feet of torque, which equates to about 670 Newton meters. Thank you to Mr. Kevin Felger. Not sure if I pronounced that name correctly, but thank you for doing the final inspection for this GTS engine and making sure that everything is okay. I believe it's the final inspection and final assembly, because these engines, even though it does say handcrafted, it's technically not handcrafted, but that's okay, it doesn't really matter. I still love this car and I do love the brand a lot. So all right, so are you guys ready to launch this puppy with me? I'm so excited. I really want to see how much it is. Hopefully we can get about 4 seconds flat, because in my tuned C43 I got 3.9 seconds and that was just from a stage 1 tune. So I want to see if we can get 4.0 flat with a rear-wheel drive car on winter tires. So let's see how it goes. Damn, on our first practice run, we get 3.8 seconds. Oh my. Oh my God. 3.8 seconds again. All right, well, looks like 3.8 seconds is the best that we're going to do today. Okay, so on that last round, when I didn't even record on the GoPro, of course we got a better time, if it'll focus, right over there. 0 to 60, verified, 3.75 seconds. 3.75 seconds in a stock rear-wheel drive V8 with winter tires. That is crazy. Next video, we're gonna be testing out the 60 to 130 mile per hour time. I'll be making a quick trip to Mexico to test this out. But in the meantime, see you guys in the next video. Peace.